Hello students, in this video we will discuss our next exercise 2C. So let's start. In exercise 2C, here is asking you write the following number in the expanded form. So what does it means? What is the meaning of expanded form? In expanded form, the number is written as the sum of the place values of each of the digits. We already know how to find out the place values of each of the digits. Just do the sum of these after finding the place values. Clear? So let's see one example. Question number 1b. So here is given 2,72,631. So we have to do this one as a expanded form. So firstly find out the place values of these two. So it will be 2. Firstly write here 2 and left of the digits after these two will be 0. That means how many digits here? 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have to find out the place values of value of 7. This will be 7, and after 7 how many digits here? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. In the similar way, the place value of 2 is 2, then after 2 there is 3 digit, then 6, after 6 there is 2 digit, then 3, after 3 there is 1 digit 0, and in unique place digit there is only one number, and after 1 there is no digit, so this will be only 1 happen. So this way you have to do the problems. So finding the place values, then do the sum. Here sum means addition. Now let's see another example like this. Question number C. So question number 3, C is given 33 lakh 40,239. So what will be the place value of these three? This is nothing but firstly place here 3, then how many digit after 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, and after that you have to find out the place value of these 3. After 3 how many digit? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Then what will be the place value of 4? This is 4, and after 4 1 2 3 4. 40 will be here 3 4. Then after these 4 the place value of 0, it will be nothing but 0, because if you put here 40 then this is equal to 0. Then what is the place value of 2? There is 200. Then place value of 3, 30 plus 9. Here this way you have to do the problems. Now go to our next type of problems. Question number 2. So here is asking you write the numbers in short form. That means you have to do the reverse process of previous one. So the first problem is given here. Two lakh, then 60,000, then 3,000, then 900 plus 2. So how to solve it? Look, 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, 10 lakh place. Now start from the end. There is 0 0 0 0, 5 0 is there, then 2, then 0 0 0 0, then 6. After that 0 0 0, then 3, then 900, then 2. Now look, In one place digits, now you can add it. Now one place digit there is 2, and 10 place digit nothing is there, that means 0. 100 place digit 9, 1000 place digit 3, 10,000 place 6, and lakh place 2. So our answer will be 2,63,902. Clear? Now let's see another example. Question number C. So in question number C, there is given 3 lakh plus 80,000 plus 70 plus 5. Now go to the similar procedure. 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, and then 10 lakh place. So start from the end. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 3, then again 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, then 0, 7, then 5. Now add it. So in one place digit there is 5, 10 place digit 7, 100 place digit there is nothing, that means 0, 1000 place 100 place 0, 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 8, and lakh place 3. So our answer will be 3,80,075. Now go to another example like this. Question number H. So question number H is given here 3 lakh plus 200. So go to similar procedure. 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, 10 lakh place. Then there is given 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 0 is there, then 3, and here is only 200. Now again add it. There is 0, 1 place, 10 place 0, 100 place only 2, 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 0, and lakh place there is 3. So our answer will be 3 lakh and 200. Here, this way you have to do left of the problems in question number 2. Now go to our next type of problem, question number 3. Here is given fill in the blanks. So here is first one is given here 87,560 is equal to, here is given 80,000 plus dash plus 500 plus again one blank space. So you have to fill in this blank space. So look, first one is given here 80,000, then what will be the place value of 7? So the place value of 7 will be place value of 7 will be 7,000. Now the place value of 5 is given here 500. Now the next one, place value of 6, so that will be 60. So this is our answer. Now go to next one. Question number D. This is question number A. So question number D is given here 1,54,786. So here is given the first one 1 lakh, then one blank space. The second one is given 4,000, then again one blank space, then 80, then plus 6. Now you have to fill in this blank space. So let's start. The first one is given here, one leg, that is the place value of 1. Now we have to find out the place value of 5. This will be, firstly put here 5, and after this 5 how many digits? 1 2 3 4. So you have to put here 40. Then place value of 4 is given, 4000. Now the next one will be place value of 7, that is 700, and place value of 8 is given and 6 is given here. Now go to next one. Question number I. So question number I is given here, 57,000, 57 lakh 64,031. So first one is given here blank space, second one is also given here blank space, third one is given here 60,000, fourth one is blank space, fifth one is 30, and sixth one is given here 1. So you have to fill in these blanks. So first one will be the place value of 5 happen. So what will be the place value of 5? Firstly write here 5, and after that the digit will be zeros. Then J1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 happen. Now the next one will be the place value of 7. Then put here 7. Then after 7 the digit will be 0. 1 2 3 4 5 0 happen. 2 3 4 5 here. Then the place value of 6 is given. Then the next one will be place value of 4 happen. So that will be 4000, and place value of 0, this is nothing but zeros, so that's why not written here. The place value of 3 is here 30, and place value of 1 is 1 here. So in this way you have to do left of the problems in question number 3. Thank you everyone.